Solar panels reduce carbon emissions. They produce clean, renewable energy, and unlike fossil fuels, they don't burn a hole in the planet or your wallet. Sound too good to be true? Let's break it down. Today, we're uncovering 5 facts about solar that could transform how you think about energy and your electric bill. Hang on until the end, because the last one might be the biggest reason that Americans are switching to solar. Let's get into it. Solar panels help reduce carbon emissions. The average US household emits around 8,700 pounds of CO2 every year just from electricity use. That's like driving your car around 10,000 miles annually. When you factor in heating fuels like natural gas and fuel oil, many homes can generate between 10,000 and 15,000 pounds of CO2 annually. Switching to solar slashes that footprint. A typical home solar system offsets 6,600 to 8,800 pounds of CO2 per year, which is the same as planting 100 or more trees annually. So, think of it this way. Every solar panel on your roof is like a little tree, fighting climate change day in and day out without needing water or maintenance. Solar produces clean, renewable energy. Unlike fossil fuels, which require drilling, mining, and burning, solar simply converts sunlight into electricity, quietly, with no moving parts. And here's the problem with those old methods. Drilling and mining scar landscapes, disrupt ecosystems, and pollute water supplies. Not only that, but burning fossil fuels release carbon dioxide, methane, and other harmful matter that drive climate change and increase health risks like asthma and heart disease. With solar, there's none of that. Even on cloudy days, solar panels still generate around 10 to 15% of their typical output thanks to indirect sunlight. And here's a wild fact. The amount of sunlight hitting Earth in just 90 minutes is enough to power the entire world for a year. That's how abundant clean energy really is. Ditching fossil fuels saves you money. Here's the part everyone loves. Solar saves money. Fossil fuel electricity costs are tied to global markets, which means that your utility price rises whenever gas or coal does. If you want to dig deeper into why this happens, check out our video. Your energy company is failing you. I'll put the link in the description below. Solar lets you escape the ups and downs of the market and produce your own energy. So no more surprise spikes from the global energy markets. In fact, homeowners with solar save between $10,000 and $30,000 over the lifetime of their system. And since solar panels last 25 to 30 years, you could enjoy a decade of virtually free electricity once your solar panels are paid off. Solar creates jobs and boosts the US economy. Solar isn't just good for the planet. It's great for American workers and our economy. According to the Solar Energy Industries Association, the solar industry now employs over 263,000 Americans, from installers to engineers to manufacturers and sales professionals. And that number is still climbing. That means every rooftop panel you install isn't just an investment in clean energy. It's a vote for local jobs, economic growth, and a stronger middle class across the country. And here's the final truth, the one that just might be the biggest reason that Americans are switching to solar. Solar boosts your home's value. Solar doesn't just save you money month after month, it can actually increase your property value. A nationwide study by Zillow showed that homes with solar panels sold for about 4% more on average than similar homes without solar panels. That can mean thousands of extra dollars in your pocket when it's time to sell. And it's not just about a higher sale price. Homes with solar often sell faster too, because buyers see homes with solar panels as a built-in benefit. Lower utility bills, clean energy, and less dependence on the grid from day one. So while you're enjoying savings today, you're also making a long-term investment in your home, one that future buyers will pay a premium for. So there you have it. 5 solar facts that can change your future. Solar cuts household emissions by thousands of pounds each year. It provides clean, renewable power without the dirty side effects of fossil fuels. It saves homeowners tens of thousands of dollars over time. It supports American jobs and boosts the economy. And it even increases your home's resale value. Now, I want to hear from you. What, if anything, is stopping you from going solar? Drop your comments below. Until next time.